Game engine improvements. We went back to the game engine itself to address the following. Number one, the hex library that we're using is having issues when used on chain. We need to make the game engine independent to external libraries. Number two, elements like the CPU, actions, and projectiles are hard-coded inside the game engine, making it too hard to scale. This means we will be needing to update the game engine whenever we want to introduce new assets or gimmicks inside the game. For the first issue, we have to refactor our game engine to exclude the hex library, and fortunately, we're able to do it without sacrificing features. Time is not wasted though, as we borrow some learnings from Hex, especially on how to untangle the components and implement systems in the game engine. For the second issue, we have thought of a solution, programmable components. Let me explain. There are several components of the game that needs to be programmable. Number one, the CPU. As an essential part of the head, the CPU needs variations to make each head parts unique. Number two, actions. Obviously, since actions are included on each assets in the game, it would make sense to make it customizable. Number three, spawns. Spawns replace projectiles as a major component in the game. It needs to be programmable so that we can define the behavior of the entity. In the next iteration of improvements, we will also include status effects as programmable component. This will cover the debuffs and debuffs for the characters. So what's the big deal? Imagine we have to introduce a new part in the game. Since we are utilizing itembox.app, we can use the blueprint account to map the definition of the item. The definition includes the scripts along with the other additional details, such as energy cost of the action. For example, we want a new weapon that shoots projectiles that bounces off walls. We can now define its behavior using the script stored on that NFT. This also means two things. Number one, we don't have to update the game engine on-chain very frequently. And number two, we can apply balancing changes easily.